Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Very quickly, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now, seeing the information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So if you are looking for a video where it's a trade recap or somebody's talking to you with hindsight in their favor as they do their analysis, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, then I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I will go ahead and pause for now, and I'll be back at the open. All right, gonna go for some puts here at 19, but I need Tesla to come up a bit more. That might have been the move though. So I actually need to go to 1850 now. All right, I will go ahead and pause the video. And I should note my screen changed around because I am now looking at options. So I do trade stocks and options. And when I started the video, I was on my stock trading platform, or my stock trading setup, I should say. And now I'm on my options trading setup. So let's see if Tesla wants to go back up again. I am at 1850 now. So I'll go ahead and pause the video or the recording software, and we'll see what happens. Okay, I have an order at 1750 and I'm in there. So let's see what this wants to do. And in at 1750. And all out there for, where's my marker at? I thought I had that up for $500, but sorry about that. I thought I had my marker thing up, because I know some of you, it can look, somebody said recently, looks like you're flying a plane or something, to which I can, I understand when you're brand new. Right there shows my gains, so $500. And that all lasted, you can see right there the time. So if I did my math right, 16 seconds. So 16 seconds for $500, which is fantastic. Although, let me throw out another order at 16. Because if this move wants to keep coming up, this is just so ridiculous. Yeah, 16, just double checking. So we'll see if this wants to come up some more. And if it does, great. If not, then that's fine too. I mean, I'm up $500. The time is 9:35 a.m. So the total trade was 16 seconds, but the total time, that the market's been open is 5 minutes, which is kind of crazy when you think about it. $500. I mean, it's super crazy, $500 in 16 seconds, but even $500 in 5 minutes, that's kind of, almost seems kind of scammy when you say it. Like, really? That doesn't seem possible, but that's why I think that's why this video series is so popular, because I mean, yeah, you literally just saw how it took place there. But again, I'm not quite done yet. Maybe said if this wants to come up, then I would be interested. Although at this point, let's do this instead. So again, I'm going to be just extra greedy and greed in the form of I want an extra good entry point. And if I don't get it, well, then who cares? Because again, I'm up $500. So that's always a nice thing too. When you get a good cushion for yourself, you can get greedy in the sense of, let's be very high maintenance. Let's require extra good entry points, because if they don't happen, who cares? You're already up an amount you're happy with. So all right, I will go ahead and pause for now. And if this, actually, no, that's the move I was looking. This thing has consolidated out. So I'm just going to cancel it. I'm going to call it good. So the $500 sniper shot there. And as I like to say, $500 a day keeps the day job away. Clay, why are you done? It's only 5 minutes in. You can make more money. Good question. Along with the $500 a day keeps the day job away. My other kind of general philosophy is the be done in 30 approach, meaning I want to be done on average 30 minutes. Sometimes it's more. Here you can see it was clearly a whole lot less. But I do day trading as one form of income, as a side hustle, because I want freedom of time. That is what I am after. Time, freedom of it. Now, if you're trading for a Lamborghini, if you're trading for a private jet, cool, go for it. I don't know where you're at in your life, but for me, as a father of 5 young kids, I want freedom of time. So that's what I'm after. And if I can make $500 in 16 seconds or $500 in 5 minutes, however you want to look at it, I am more than happy with that. So yes, that is why I'm going to move on with my day. Just there's nothing more powerful than now being able to say, do I want to work on my real estate investing? Do I want to work on the teaching business at clayjar.com? Do I want to go hang out with the kids for a little while? I mean, there's no greater power than that freedom of time. So thanks for watching. Take care. Hit that like button. Leave a simple comment down below if you like these live trade videos. Little bits of communication like that go a long way. Even if just saying hi or tell me what you traded today. But hitting that like button and leaving a comment, I really do appreciate it. So sometimes it can just be one trade, one sniper shot, and everything turns out very, very nicely. And that's how it happened this morning. But to be clear, not every morning is like this. Some mornings I'm trading for well above 30 minutes. And sometimes I'm not even making money. I'm losing money because you can't make money every day as a trader. But some days, as you saw here, I can work out very, very smoothly. So thanks for hanging out. Hit that like button. Leave a simple comment down below. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.